Right, hello there YouTube, George here with you. We have this here 2950 Ranger. Kieran sent this to me. It's been here quite a while, like a lot of stuff, and he sent this up. This radio had been somewhere else in Ireland. I forget where he said it was. I don't really want to mention names or anything like that, but basically he sent the radio to get looked after and things done with it, and let's just say it wasn't very well carried out. So radio came here, had a few issues, FM wasn't working, we got that sorted out, a few other bits and pieces, and went through it, made sure it was aligned and serviced, and I changed the cases. The lids were all bent and battered, and I don't know, so I was really kind of letting it down. So give it a good clean, and secret sauce that, and all the usual carry on. So I have it sitting here. She's on FM there on the dummy load, so 10 watts there. We go to AM, and then we go to sideband, 20 watt radio all day long. Lower sideband, and she's tickety boo on frequency and all that. Let's put it on the tank whip there. It's on its internal speaker there at the minute. Load of French stuff and all that carry on. Yeah, so there's a bit of sentimental attachment to Kieran. Has this radio, his friend gave it to him, and his friend is no longer with us, I'm afraid, and hence the sentimental attachment. So it came out quite well, nice and clean and tidy. I remember when these came out, a friend of mine bought one. I think, if memory serves me right, sometime in the 90s, 94, 93, 94, he gave around 400 quid for it. It was only a few months old, and yeah, he had it for a long time. So I'm gonna get this one boxed up now, get it out of here, and it's going back in the post to him. So another one sorted out and cleaned up and whatnot. It's a nice radio. I've had a good few of them down through the years. 2950Fs, which were the CRT, the French version, and there's a couple of the high power ones here, 2970 N2s and stuff like that. But yeah, that's another story. So there you go, Kieran. Very short little video. And yeah, she's nice and tidy now, and I hope she serves you well. Get up a good aerial, and you'll have a bit of fun. So we'll get you all in the next one. This is George, 73s.